Can y'all still hear me? All right, that works. So I can go. We can just go live here. Honestly, we'll just go live here every morning, in the Discord, and then I can send out the delayed link for YouTube to the free chat. Best of both worlds, right there. There you go. What the fuck, you snowboard? This dude's snowboarding right now. I'll be snowboarding. I'm joining Sunday. Damn, dub. I'm in PA. How many cons you plan on getting? Realistically, the same as always. Normally, roughly around 5 to 10 cons at a strike price that works out to be about $1. Wish we could zoom in. Zoom in. You're not able to hear me. Try and unmute me. I don't know. I don't know. I think you might have me muted because everybody, from what I understand, everybody else can. Yeah, you might just have me muted, low key. I'll try and zoom in for you guys. Mascot, no snow at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Out here in the nice old Missouri, can't do jack shit. They ain't got nothing out here, bro. Oh, all right. Market just opened. Let me send out the YouTube deal real quick. All right. Yeah, it works. Just give him a bit of a delay. All right, everyone, stay over here. I'm gonna send out this alert, but stay over here. Stay over here because there's less delay. All right, bet. Yesterday was hell of a day. Yeah, bro. We've been going crazy, bro. Low key. We have been going crazy. How do you guys feel about the new alerts? You guys think they look clean? If anybody has any thoughts to make it better, or any of that kind of stuff, I'd love to hear it. They were fire. Bet. I thought they looked a lot better, and obviously something I'm looking for. So I was really happy with the way those looked. So I'm gonna try and make the. I want to try and make the. I'm from KCMO as well. Damn, Evan, what's up, bro? I'm gonna try and make them better as just time goes on, like I have been. But I need text messages to my phone, bro. People have asked me about that. I don't exactly know how I could do that, but hey, there'd probably be a way. There would probably be a way. Okay, EOS up about 4%. Hood's up about 3%. AMD is rocketing. Yeah, just a wish list. I feel you. All right. SoFi's up about 2%. All right. Bet. All right, boys. Port's up pretty good. I need to figure out these long terms are just going to keep posting. But hey, I'm going to leave these long terms to keep annoying you guys because with what I have on the long terms right now, I'm still working on a better algorithm. But right now, these are good companies with either at or below their 200 EMA. I would recommend all of those. Is obviously do your own research, not financial advice bullshit. The whole 9 yards. But 95% of the time, if you can find a good company, bro, TE is up another 5%. But yeah, 95% of the time, if you can find a good company under a 200 EMA, you are chilling. Nebius, Irene, Zeta, Meta, and those are the alerts that we've gotten so far. All right. Let's see if I can. Let's see if we can fund the $1,000 challenge. We're up around 1,200 today. AMD is ripping right now. We could look to take an AMD play. It's only up about 3%, but we've seen it go, and they've got some room. So if you do like AMD, this could be this could be a good orb play for you. Honestly, I'll be watching AMD too. We'll probably be watching everything here. Let's see. Oh, Christmas music. That's lit. Play Christmas music over on the YouTube live. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. No way. Did DJT actually dump? What are your thoughts on quad witching? Quad witching? I don't know if I've ever heard of that term. What does that mean? Quad witching. Quadruple witching is a quarterly event in financial markets when several types of derivatives contracts expire. I was like, quad witching? I don't think I've ever heard of that. That types of derivatives. Oh, I see. When is that? When is this? December. Oh, today. Does this? Let me do some more research real quick. Does this like cause more? So from what I read, it says more volatility. All right. Well, keep that in the back of your head and be safe and careful. I knew it was OPEX, but I didn't realize it was all that. BHE done because I sold my cons 150. All right. Silver back up 1%. Who would have thought? Silver's never down. Dun, 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 dun. Let's say the orb high's up there. That's wrong. That's wrong. Yeah, I really like PAL. I mean, I know it's PDL. What's PAL? I know it's PAL, but what's Palladium's? Palladium. There you go. Palladium futures. There we go. Yeah, 1700. I think they were at like 1500 when I alerted it. Yeah, they're back like in this range when I alerted it. We saw some downside, but I knew it'd come up. I really think PAL is. I mean, look at this structure. I mean, this is exactly what you're looking at, and on silver, you know, both right here and then overall, obviously. I mean, this is a much bigger one, but overall, it's very similar structure. So, I think they both look great. I think Palladium. I think now it's like you know, with silver being up 150% this year, you can back it up with Palladium. I still think it's a good time. Check ELA and FSI. Alrighty. Shoot me if I forget, I probably will. Just at me in chat when we're done, and I'll take a look at those. But don't. I most likely will forget. So let's see what the chat's cooking. Quarterly options expire. Yeah, is that not OPEX though? What's the difference between OPEX then and OPEX and quad witching? I'll have to do more research on that later. I just hadn't heard of that term. Why is it lagging on orb today? Why the orb lagging though? Hey, if you guys bought Nebius, you are already up. I sent the alert on this day, so if you were up, already up 8%. This is the whole, big deal that I try and stress to you guys over here on the premium. Getting in when you have the opportunity is the best average price we could have gotten was right off of that. And like even now, like you could have played this name and literally sold for 10% gains. Bang, but just like this, just like we saw with ASTS. Hopefully we can get the opportunity on Irene. You guys can see how close it got. I really want to see Irene there. I think once Hims kind of shows bottom, but we see a lot of good stuff here. SoFi if it comes down, EOS if it comes down, Hood if it were to come down, but I don't think it will. Even AMD, like all of these names, if we were able to see them, Meta right here at the 200 EMA again. So Oklo is up today. Nvidia's up today. QQQ, SPY. All right, remember this orb is wrong. I might have to just turn this orb off low key. It's just kind of nice when it just comes up, but if it's gonna be wrong. Orb high, orb low. Does everybody know how to make these, by the way? I saw someone was telling me about how helpful the orb, me drawing out the orb high and orb low is. So if anybody doesn't know how to do that, just let me know. Just make presets, and then you don't have to worry about it. I use TOS. Nice. All right. All right. Let's wait. The highlighted orb to the first line low orb is 5 minute frame. Yeah, no, I don't know. This one's wrong. The blue one is wrong right now. I don't know why. It's worked every other day, but for some reason right now it's not. This is not correct. Not correct. So, damn, I cannot view stream. It says too many. Shit, we got too many motherfuckers in here. God damn. Y'all all watching the stream. I did the like server boost that I literally paid for. Says that like 3,000 people can join or some crazy shit, and it's like, bro, then why can't they all actually join? All right. We could maybe watch some Sunday Night Football too, for real. $1K to $5K. Challenge planning. All right, go vote, turds. Let's see this shit. Who's coming? Who is ready to make some money on Monday and who is not? Personally, I know I'm there, GOAT. I know I'm there. All right. Will Irene go lower over here on YouTube? Possibly. Possibly. I hope that it goes down to its 200 EMA at 32. Don't you have a video explaining the orb strategy? I swear I saw it, but I can't remember. Yes. If you just click on my channel and scroll back, I think it's probably like 4 or 5 videos back. It was like 2 weeks ago, maybe. But you can also check out the educational playlist. Who's your NFL team? Unfortunately, the Chiefs this year. Hey, I'll take what, 3 Super Bowls in the last 5 years? I'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. And I'm actually from Missouri, so it's not some bandwagon type shit. I'm telling you. If it was some bandwagon type shit, I understand. I get that's criminal. But thank God it's not. All right, let's don't say unfortunately. No, unfortunately this year. Obviously, I'm very grateful for winning so much, bro. You're gonna break down NFL soap opera, dead ass, honestly. Especially as a Chiefs fan, bro. I used to see us get all the calls, and now you're seeing none of them get calls. Stream full. Stream full. If you guys want, you guys can watch here. I'll drop this link. We got too many people, bro. We got too many people in premium. That's why. Here, if you guys want to watch the stream, here and just stay in the voice chat here because you'll be able to hear my alerts. But I remember this is not orb break. We're just waiting for this third candle to print. All right, there we go. We updated our orb here. All right, we'll wait. We'll wait and see how the orb finally finishes up. But yeah, if you guys can't get access to the stream, I have genuinely no clue why I would do that. How many people we got in here? 46, 50? Dub. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we get here with the good old Marquette. With the good old Marquette. AMD ripping. AMD up about 4%. Oh my god. So Oracle now down there. Hold up. Hey, there we go, boys. What are these contracts at right now? Does anybody know what the contracts are that we have? Just tell me what the like price is right now. Because I don't remember. Obviously, I sold mine for a tax loss, which obviously is looking stupid now, but was beneficial in the moment. You got you selling. 478 of the con. That's it. What the hell? That's it. So things need to get moving. Hey, but they were down to like 350, so 320 even. Alrighty. Hey, I'm on vacation. QQ 615 alert just hit. Wait, what the hell is going on? No, I didn't. What do you mean? Nothing alerted. Nothing should have alerted yet. We haven't seen this candle close. Yeah, we could see a big day though here. Your boy is up. Your boy's up 1,400 right here. Oh, you're on. Okay. Yeah, all right. So we got our orb here. We are breaking out of the orb to start this candle. We definitely look bullish. We got an NVIDIA orb break. You guys can definitely feel free to take that if you like it. This might just be. I want to see this play out a little bit. It's pretty extended. I mean, I'm all for a big day, but we definitely SPY's up 0.4% and QQQ's up 1.2. So. All right, AMD is going to get its alert here. I would wait for these candles to close, but TDR here, you can watch it right here. You can watch it there and then just listen over here so you can get in on the correct entry time. But guys, if we are going to get calls on QQQ, which it does look like we can get the opportunity for here, AMD still looks great, man. AMD could really push up here. Hell yeah, dude. I bought fucking 25 shares of AMD yesterday. Or 20 shares, whatever. Hell yeah. It's 656 on AMD alone today. Bet. Still down on the fucking position, though. All righty. All right, and QQQ looks like it's getting its break. So we can go ahead and switch to the 2-minute now. I'm looking at the QQQ probably 618. Let me pull them up here. Looking at the 618 calls, of course. If we're going to get them, but like I said, I want to be very, very careful. Can't see your screen, option learner. I know, buddy. I see. That's why I just put the chart there, guys. If you guys can't see the screen, that's why I'm sending this link for. You guys can listen here, and then I don't know how people who have. Bro, I'd be seeing. I'll find a way to get this fixed. I don't understand how. Everything that I'm saying is that says that we have like 50 spots. You can, I have a user limit up to like 1,000 million. I don't know what the deal is here. Huh. So if anybody knows why people can't watch the stream, please let me know. Please let me know. Let's go back over. Your screen is kind of zoomed in. Can't see the ticker candle. Sorry. This is QQQ on the 5-minute. Damn, we're just gonna break out. We're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going, maybe. I want to be careful with this. I don't want to test any of this. There's no reason to chase something like this and then get ruin the week on a Friday. We've been killing it, so 616 calls up 600%. Yeah, I can watch it. Yes, bet. All right, AMD is still moving. If you guys got in on those AMD calls, probably already up a good bit. I know these things move like fucking crazy. If we can get a 2-minute retest on this, I might get in on AMD. Because I mean, this shit is definitely looking bullish. Honestly, if we can get a bounce, I'll take a look at AMD. I'm going to go small size. I'm realistically just going to trade small size in anything right now. But yeah, an AMD 212 call for 82 cents. Honestly, bro, I like these calls. These things are moving like crazy, though. Google up 25%. Nice. Let's check on if we got the breakout here. Okay. Let's see if this holds. If we can hold this retest and push up higher, I want to see this next candle after this 2-minute. But yeah, I don't want to break inside. But if we do, possibly take something down. I should just lag what we're looking for. Right now, we're looking at calls just because that looks more favorable for QQQ. But I don't want to get faked out here. The good thing is, though, is like Tesla is down on the day. Meta is down. So if we can see those two rally back, we can definitely see a bigger day. But it looks like it's all semis. All semis right now. If you guys do want an AMD 212 call, very, very risky. AMD 212 for today's expiration. Very, very risky, but it does look good. All right, if this 5-minute can close above, I don't like that candle closure. We'll see what happens here. Once again, no reason to risk anything. We've had a crazy week. Don't take anything you're going to regret. Regret? Oh, my God, I'm talking like a child. Don't take anything you're going to regret. Wow. Y'all like the baby talk? Regret? Yeah, no, got me too, bro. Jesus Christ. What? I don't know what that was, bro. Y'all seeing y'all seeing the inner side, bro. Jeez. Honestly, don't think I've slipped up that bad in my life. I swear to God, you guys will regret it. Swear. Bro's got him talking different. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dog baby. That's nuts. I swear. It was a slip up. Guys, no, it lagged. It was the stream lagged. I promise you. That was not me. My chair squeaked, bro. All right, Google's moving up. Tesla's moving up. I like this. If we can get Tesla and Meta to move green, I really like calls here just because you have some extra to push it. All right. Just remember, don't take anything you're going to regret. Stay to the plan. If we can't get this candle to push up, I mean, if we can break these highs, well, I'll do exactly what we do every other time when we don't get this, perfect. But, something like this, and then get the entry right here. I don't hate. Really, if we can get a candle closure over this line, I'm very confident, just because not only do we have the orb, but we can also show that we're making a new high. Because we are getting, while this isn't the most bearish or bullish thing right now, we could use a pullback. We could also extend further. Like, this is not an area where I want to be making the decision. I want to let the market make the decision. I just want to follow it. But yeah, guys, the point that I just want to get this out of the way now. The point that I want to make with this 1 to 5K challenge is realistically, we'll probably take 1, maybe 2 trades next week. I'm not trading on Thursday. I'm not trading on Christmas Eve. I'm not trading on Christmas. I'm not trading on Christmas Eve. I may not trade the day after that. Market conditions are going to be bad. 1, 2, go spend time with your family. Go do all those kind of things. Don't consume your mind with the market. Even if you've been having good days and good weeks, there's no reason to. Go have some fun. If you want to take a quick trade in the morning, do that. But I will have the BULLISHBUZZ alerts going, but I will not be alerting. I'll be here and there if you guys have any questions. But go spend time with your family. Enjoy Christmas. Enjoy Christmas Eve. But we will be obviously live Monday and Tuesday. If we do see a good opportunity, we'll take it. If not, we'll just take it in my regular account. And that's what I would recommend doing the same, or whatever your normal conditions are. But if it's something that I'm not 1,000,000% sure on, but it's something like an orb break that we're still going to take anyways because follows our plan, it looks good, all that kind of stuff. Then we'll do that. All right, so Tesla went back red, Meta came green, so they just flipped each other. AMD is looking really good, guys. I'm telling you, if you want these AMD 212 calls, I don't hate these. I think these look pretty good. You got the 2-minute break. They're obviously risky, but these are real good risk. Honestly, bro, I'm gonna take a shot on 2 of these cons. I'm gonna enter 2 cons of AMD 212 calls. I'm in at 90 cents. No, I'm not. I am. I'm in at 90 cents. I'm in at 90 cents. Do not chase these over $1. If they go over $1, and we have a hard stop loss at, let's say, 75 cents. I'm only in 2 contracts, but depending on what you're getting into, just be careful. I'm gonna have my stop probably at 70. It'll be a 20% stop loss, but only about $40 in loss. I have a really small position, but these things will move quick. I'm not gonna alert this because this is like a scalp. Once you get 10-20% profit, take your profits, but don't go full size on something like this. But if it plays out and we get lucky, these things could run. I like the way that they look. But market, I wouldn't be surprised if market gets a little choppy here. Like I said, hard stop loss at like 70, 72. My fill price on those was 90 cents. So right now down 10%, but these things are moving like crazy, bro. These AMD's 0DTE is insane, bro. AMD 0DTE is insane. BE's up 10%. Thank God, bro. Finally. That shit was low-key. I bought in and just got unlucky apparently, but only down like 7%, but caught the brown end of that. All right, Nebius, guys, Nebius, really, look at this. Come on. From the entry, you guys are already killing it. 12%, well, 10% now, but in 2 days, 12%. Bang. This is what your option profits go to, guys. So look, you make, $1,000 in the market, right, in options. Well, that $1,000 should be split up. All right, I'm up 7% on these here. 7%. You guys probably honestly got a better fill. I'm up 10% now. Take trims as quick as possible when you guys do get the opportunity. I'm up 14% here. 21% here, guys. Look to take trims. I would really recommend trims here. 22%. These contracts are at 110. Take trims. This is just a quick little scalp, nothing big. There's no reason to do anything too much here. Do not do too much. I'm looking to get an exit. I'm exiting both of my cons here. I have a limit price at 112. I don't want to replace my order, but I might have to. There we go. All right. I was able to sell, make a nice little 41%. Oh, my God. These just went 41%. Bro, did you just double, Jack? Did that thing just go 100%? These are at 112 now, 116. Oh, my God. These are at 45%, boys. W snipe, bro. Holy shit. W snipe. Who got in on that? W snipe, bro. Ripped it. Bro, I sent Option Learner. I sent you the YouTube link. I understand. 36% W play. Good shit, boys. Hey, I did not expect to see those move so quickly, but hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. All right, we can watch what QQQ is going to do here now too. Good shit. These are still up 36%. Take your trims. Up 30% still. Take your trims. Hey, good play. Good little play. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Nice little play. There you go. I wish I bought more shares in Nebius. Yeah. It's up 9% now. So he needs to make it a stage. Whoa. Oh. I need to make it a stage. What the hell does that mean? How do I do so? I don't know how to make this shit a stage. Just add a new channel and make it a stage. All right. Well, hopefully we'll have the fix to this soon. Create a channel. Oh, okay. All right. Well, it looks like Terror just fixed my problem in 5 minutes. That's why this dude's the GOAT. 30% on that AMD. Good shit, boys. Yeah, good shit, boys. Good shit, boys. All right. I think this looks good. Oh, my God, dude. These are flying still. Hey, guys, by the way, these are up 50%. 50% now. What does the QQ 15-minute pattern look like? Right here. All right, guys, these are up 52% now. Oh, my God. These are still running. Good play. 53% now. 57, 58, 60. Holy shit, guys. All right, I sent out that alert at 99 or at 90 cents. They're at 132. I saw who got in at 60 cents, bro. That's crazy. Jack, bro. That's crazy. Got in at 70 cents. These things are almost up 100% for Buddy. Yeesh, dude. Good trade. I like the way that looked. I love trading AMD on 0DTE. But all right, Spy just got its alert. So if you like Spy, you can take that one. Broke out of its orb. I think QQQ is looking to do the same. I'm down to get into QQQ here. All right, I have my buy limit set on futures. I am looking at these 618 calls. Once again, please go light. Please go light. We are extended. I don't want to see – no one should have more than probably 5 contracts, but I'm looking at the 619s. 619s, I want to see a little bit of a pullback. If we can see a pullback to a retest of these candle wicks, that's what I want to see. I have a buy order on futures for that as well. All right, I am in on futures. All right. We are on this 2-minute here. Let's see if we can get this retest. Obviously, I don't want to get an entry right here. On futures, I'm fine with it because they're evals, but I do want to wait here. Just a second. Yeesh. All right, push up for me, buddy. We'll see how this candle closes. If we can stay above this red line, I'm in. If we can stay above orb, I'm in. Oh, your boy has got the bubble guts this morning, bro. Lord. WAMD call, yes, sir. 27%. Good shit, baby. Atta boy. All right, guys, I'm looking at the 619 calls. I want to get in these once we can establish that we're going to hold one of these 2 ranges. I just want to wait and see which one it's going to be. So if we can bounce here, nice. If we come down to the 90 MA and we bounce, still nice. Both of them look good. But I am feeling pretty bullish here. I just want to make sure we're getting a good entry. So I would wait here. And once again, small size. Let's wait and see if this holds. Remember, no getting in yet. Would anybody be down to start trading some Asia futures during the night or during the day? I want to be around and help anybody that I can, and also I do think that futures are a great way that we can start to have a lot better of a risk reward. I love the risk reward on futures because whether you're a great trader or not, if you mess up and you have an accident, the worst that you can do is lose $100. And so if I'm taking a trade on Robinhood and I have $1,000, if something goes wrong, things are going to go horribly wrong. But like I've blown like 3 evals now, just One, because I'm trying to figure out the platform and figure out, futures trading in general. So expect it to happen. But like one of them was a complete accident. It's like if I would have done that, with the $1,000 I normally trade with, that would have hurt a lot more. So yeah, if anybody would want to start trading like Asia at night, but Asia gold, yeah, I'd be down. All right. Well, hopefully I don't get swept out of this futures trade right here. I'd not like to see that, but all right. If we can get a bounce here, I really like the entry to move up. I like the way that we're looking here. If this candle closes green, I'd really like it. Nice little retest. Bet. That's fire. Terror is the goat for that. All right. 6/19s. I'm actually gonna look at the 6/18s, guys. I'm gonna look at the 6/18s. The 6/19s got pretty cheap as they sold off there. All right, I like these. I like these here. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, you can wait. I would, if you want to be safe, wait for this extra minute. And that's what I'd recommend. I'm not sending out the alert until this minute closes, but I want to see us still break over and still close green. But I am looking at these 6/18 calls. 6/18 calls currently at 86 cents right now. You always got bubble guts? Yeah, for real. Don't turn over. Don't turn over. Come on now. Do not want to see some chop, bro. Do not want to see the chop. All right, don't get in yet. I don't like this entry yet. I want to see us hold. But I think we could come and kind of flush down a little bit and then continue higher, but we shall see. All right, if we get a good green candle off of one of these, I like the entry, but I don't want to take something that isn't there. I would love to see a little green candle right off of orb, and then we can take something like that. But yeah. There we go. SPY. SPY's orb probably made a decent bit on that open right there. Come on, just get bought up, man. Alrighty. Why they always make us wait? Always make us wait. If we do break back into orb, I would not be against puts here. If we do, but still bullish as long as we're holding orb on the 2 and the 5 minute. But yeah, definitely we could. I mean, we could definitely break back in. So, like I said, being safe, being careful. Already in puts low. Hey, just be careful. I don't hate it. That's why I'm not in calls yet. But yeah, just be careful. I think if we break back inside of orb, these look great. 6/11s, damn. If these break back inside of orb on the 5 minute, I mean, I have no problem getting in these for puts. I ain't got no issue with that. Oh man. Lost on that futures little lotto that I was taking there. Unfortunately. All right, well, if we do get this 5 minute close inside this range and we can make a new low, I do like this, but if we can't and we do just bounce off this, yeah, that's the only thing. But yeah, I don't hate puts here. But I would want to see us. Yeah, see, we're just definitely getting bought up off this low, so that's the thing. That's the thing. Like on the 3-minute, oh my god, we caught up. Buzz in 5-minute. So I'm actually looking 617 calls now a little. Wait, say it again. Yeah, well, I mean, if the contracts keep moving, I mean, it's Friday, so the decay's gonna be big. But when we were originally looking at the 619 calls, they were 90 cents. That's why. Then now they're only 50. I don't want to trade those. The 618s are 84 cents, so those are a little bit better. I'm honestly just gonna buy off these fucking wicks. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't mean to do that. Ah, off. Click the wrong button. Looks like Bears might have the control of the market again. Maybe. Maybe. I don't think so. Bears may have control of the market while QQQ is up 1.5%. I don't know. I don't know, man. It looks like no one has control of the market as we're just chopping around in fucking circles. Gonna be honest. Looks like lame sauce. Nobody even like it. Bro, what the hell is going on? Why does it keep filling me on these? Dude. Limit means wait. All right, there you go. I mean, that works. Easy $50 there. Limit sell, not at the fucking price it's currently at. There we go. There we go. Palantir got called. Let's take a look. Palantir does look good. Palantir does look good on the 2-minute, getting bought up off the orb. What the hell? There you go. There you go. Bought up off orb. AMD is still running. I'll take a look at what these calls are at because I know they're at. I know these things are fucking hefty. Call is still up 50%. Man, we ain't getting shit, boys. Market don't want us to have nothing today. Quick scalp on Palantir. I mean, feel free to take it. Feel free to take it. I don't hate it at all. I think it looks good. On the 5-minute here, you're still breaking out. So you're moving up. Oh. Bro, I just want to see us get a damn alert, brother. QQQ just breaking back in, breaking back out, breaking back in. No. Oracle, 200 calls, back to break even. Should I sell? I mean, feel free to. Feel free to. I mean, if they actually have this news with TikTok, you know, that could blow the stock back up to 240. It could also, you know, if the deal doesn't go through, it could, you know, hurt the stock. So do with that as you will. But I think that they still look good. If you know you were down a lot, definitely take the break even. That's definitely an accomplishment for, you know, what we had going on originally too. You know. All right, let's see what we get here. If we do continue down, I'm not against these puts. Finally going down, yeah. Come on, film me. Film me on a quick little scalp. There you go. Seeing downtrend on the 1 minute? Yeah, for sure. For sure. I just want to make sure we're not running into these EMAs. Like on the 5 minute, a lot of time on the 5 minute here, you can see you'll just run into the EMAs and then you'll make your move. That's what I see happen a lot with orb. You'll chop around orb until you get to 5 minute and then you'll make a move. So I just want to make sure that's not happening. But once again, I'm in no rush personally. I do think that we can take puts. If this 5 minute candle does close below, I would like to see a candle. I'd like to see a candle close below these candles at least. And we could see the start of a push down, but I just don't want to take a put right into the 5 or the 9 EMA and see us bounce right back off of it. 'Cause I'm fairly confident that we will see a bounce given that our bullish structure here. But I will definitely be taking a fat futures trade off of opening price if we can get down there or below there. All right. Port's up 1,500 today, back over 85K, and then we're up around 167 in the Roth. All righty tighty. Are you still in puts? Big black snake mining. Already up 10% on Nebius. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. All right. Bum, 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 dum, dum. All right. Let's see. Meta just got its orb break. Let's go check in on Meta here. Meta got an orb break down. I would not chase this, but if the market starts to not look good, I'm not against that. Hood also got an orb break up. Orb break up. We want to see it continue to hold this candle, but if we can retest on this candle as well in the 2 minute, I like these. If we don't, I'm going to send out a message so we wait, because I want to make sure we wait on that one. Wait for 5 minute close over. I don't like the meta ones. Still double alerts. Double alerts. All right. Looks like QQQ could just be slipping a little bit here. Hopefully. I couldn't care less which way we go. Up 40% on EBS and Irene calls. Good shit. Good shit. I would tell you QGC or fuck Jesus Christ. GQ6, bro. Why is that fucking my eyes? But I will tell you, definitely look at taking trims. I don't think you gotta sell a whole position, but both of those names, like Nebius is up now. What? I mean, look at this shit, guys. I literally alerted this shit at the bottom. 14% off the lows already. 14%. 14%. Wow. Another great trade. Another great trade. Another great trade. Yeah, up 40%. I mean, look to take, just because, they could easily have a, 5-10% loss day coming just after running up, I know, I just can't speak today, bro. I don't know what it is. Got that baby talk all over. All right, let's see what happens here at this 5 minute. See if we can get going here. Hopefully we can get a trade. Hey, but Ethereum up 6%, silver up 1.5%. We got Palantir up 3% again, pushing through that orb. Tesla's down just a little bit. AMD back up 5%. EOS up 3%. Nebius obviously killing it up 10%. Rocket Lab up 8%. ASTS up 6%. Irene up 7%. Good day. Oracle is up 6%. BE is up 11%. Hell yeah. TE up 5%. Good little morning. Good morning. Good little morning. All right. Wait, who did the Royals get? The Royals acquire Matt Strahm from the Phillies. Not bad, not bad. Ayo. Ugh. All right, guys, I'm going to be so honest with you. I really do not like the way any of this is looking right now. Oh, this is SPY. What the fuck? I thought it was on QQQ. I could see us selling off, but I don't like either. I just don't like either side right here. This is not That's what I'm talking about. I mean, we're definitely not going to be taking shit that I don't like. And why did this guy's shit not alert? How did it not alert? Do we get the QQQ alert in premium? Oh no, we didn't. Okay, that's good. That's good. No miss alerts today. All right, Bitcoin's up 5% in the last couple hours. I like to have the VIX up in another window as well. That's not a bad idea. Definitely not gonna hurt. Oh my god, I would love to see some price action though. 613 puts. Yeah, we're looking at puts if we continue down here. If we close the second 5-minute candle in here, which it looks like we will, I'm not against it, but I probably will not take these puts. Probably will not. I mean, I just don't like either side here. I don't like either side. That's me personally. Is D dot in here? Where's that goat at? Where'd that goat at? You see anything? Yeah, market's just choppy. What do you see? I'm all out for today. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna give it a second. All right. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that I'm loving right now, boys. I might just give it 5 minutes. I'm probably just gonna go make a coffee real quick, and I'll be right back. But D dot, if you see anything, feel free to alert it. right, we getting put opportunity here. Finally, something. Oh my God, who's watching this Jake Paul fight tonight? Who is watching this shitty Jake Paul fight tonight? Wow. I might have to throw 10 bones on Jake Paul. You know he's just gonna win. All right, if this candle closes the way it looks right now, I'm down to take puts here. I do think that we can get. I'm still gonna go small size just because I don't like betting against the market here on a Friday with contracts moving like this. But I did see us selling off here. The only thing is make sure we're not respecting. We're breaking back in, yeah. I do like puts here. I want to see us continue to push down. I'm going to treat these like lottos. I'm only going to go with about 3. And I'm looking at the. I'll go see, but I'm not in yet. I'll probably wait another 2 to 5 minutes. Wait, I'm not sure if we get this break below. Okay, I do like this below. All right, guys, I am looking at the QQQ 614 puts is what I'm looking at. 614 puts. Do not get in yet, but I'm looking at them. All right, I do like these entry. I do like an entry. If you guys want to get an entry here at 110, I like that. All right, I'm in 4 cons at 110. Damn, they jumped. I'm in 5. Fill my other one. Okay, I'm in 5 contracts at 111. We're not going to hold these long. I do not want to see these turn around here. But I also entered 10 cons on futures here. But these are still at 110, so good entry here. Good entry here. Would love to see these sell down. All right, I'm up. These are up 30 cents. Oh my God, dude. These things are flying. These are up. These are up to 130 now. Already killing it. Take your trims if you need to. These hit 130. All right, let's see who got in these. Who got in these? Who got in these? Who was able to get in these? These are pushing now, boys. 125 here. 127, back up to 130. Who got in these? We got 40 people in here. Some of y'all got in here. 135 now. 140. These are up 35% now. 35%. $131. All right, so we got our entry on this candle right here. This is what our position is going to look like. I don't want to play it all the way down, but I do want to play something like this. We can play it pretty far down. But these things are up to 148 now. Oh, my God, boys. Good play. Make sure you're taking trims. Make sure you are taking trims. Do not. You guys should have stop loss at break even. All this kind of stuff. Yeah, don't give the credit here for D-Dot. I was feeling puts, but I liked his entry. That was a good entry. W hit my TP. Good shit. Only 2 cons. Hey, profit is profit, brother. Profit is profit. I'm gonna hold out here. I got my I do have my stop loss on futures here. At break even, a little bit above break even here. So if we do unfortunately get stopped, I'll probably just honestly look for another entry, but let's see if I can get my indicators up here. No way. I was up 770 and got stopped out for break even. But hey, All right. Yeah, these things move quick. So I would get out here. I would get out here just at break even. I'm gonna exit here as well at 104 on the runners. Full out, full out, full out. Everybody get up. These things are kind of running. Still easy, easy, easy trims. Great play. All right, boys. I'm going to need to see these profits and the profit tab from both that and the A and B play. Those are two 40% plays that we got this morning. Good shit, boys. There you go. 3 cons, $97. Lowest hold, 15%. Hey, still good. Let's go. Let's go. Good shit, boys. Pulled out a quick 110 over here on YouTube. Good shit. Is he anything yet? Yeah, sorry, we were in puts. Bro, let me enter so much hate. Where do you think open will bounce back? Like the stock open? I don't know. I'm still holding a small size of open door. Yeah, I really do think that we do continue lower, but I don't want to. I don't think now is the time to be fucking around with that. But yeah, good trade, boys. 2 40% plays. Everybody should be looking good. I'm not looking for a reentry, but if it comes, I'll take it. I don't want to push anything. 2 40% plays on a Friday. I mean, I don't want to ruin something good, you know, like we've been killing it. There's no reason to push anything down. That's okay. Gas, man. QQ saw 27%. These puts saw 30%. Nice. 21 and 18% on that call and put. W, good shit, Bolly. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's my boy. All right, I am going to. It does look like. I mean, I honestly do think that we can. Market's just in a weird spot. This shit is weird. Look at these. Look at these. Wait, what am I on? 1 minute. Look at this 1 minute. It's kind of funky. Can't lie. So, does look like we're getting bought up. I mean, this should be roughly golden zone area. No. Yes. So I mean, you know, maybe a golden zone bounce, but glad. Hey, still the fact that we got 40% on that shit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Great trades, my boys. Great trades. Great trades. We have low-key been killing it, I'm not going to lie. We have been killing it. I told y'all. Nebia's still ripping. 11%. Oh, my God. All right. Well, since we're not in a play real quick, let me go toot my own horn for sending this shit out. Can't lie. Cannot lie. This is low-key goated. From the entry, you guys can see this is, I mean, obviously clearly true. From the entry on the 200 EMA, which is what we alerted, 15% already. 15% already. I'm telling y'all, this shit is not that hard. Not that hard. You buy it the 200 EMA and you'll be happy. You will be happy. Let's go put this in the long terms here. All right. So here's a point that I'm trying to make once again. If you made profits today, all right? If you made profits today, set some of these profits aside, put them into an option account. If this is going to fund your 1K account, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? If not, then so when you're in futures, do you use your ladder? No, I do not. I literally just have the chart blank as shit. Blank as hail. I'm entering a small size put on futures here, or going short on futures here. If I can get a limit price. But no, I don't really do anything. Time for QQQ calls? Not yet. Not yet. But hell yeah, boys! I'm glad everything's been working out. We had AMD today. We had QQQ today. Nebius has been running. Obviously, we've been making calls all week. It's nice to see Oracle back up almost 7% today. Y'all know TE's been going crazy still, so it's been a good little ride over the past couple of days and weeks here. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. All right, let's check on the port. We have 1,500 today. EOS up 4%. Hood's up 3%. AMD's up 5%. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. All right. All right. I am yet again looking at some puts here. Tonight. All right, where are my emails at? All right. All right, well, we're moving back up. I don't know if I absolutely love this. I don't know. I mean, I could definitely see us getting pretty bullish here if we're going to continue to move and hold here. But I do want to be very, very safe if we're going to get a third entry. And by no means, hey, if your regular entry, Varvatus, all alert, man. If your regular entry is 10 cons, you should be at 3 to 5 right now. Cut your contracts in half or more. We have been winning. There's no reason to give any money back to the market. What do you think about Tesla play? That looks pretty choppy. I think it just looks a little choppy. If it does come back and retest and we break down, then I do like it because on the 5 minute it looks okay. But I'm not in love with that one yet. I'm still looking at just Qs. But yeah. But yeah. I still think we can get a third one, but I do want to be safe. I do want to save. We got to find a move for when what's the move for when we win all of our trades and then chat's dead because we literally killed it? We got to figure out something for that. We've been having too many good days that chat's dead after we literally mop house in the market. Everybody be getting off. But all right, I was thinking about also making would y'all want a little premium only betting channel? I know some of y'all are DGens. I think we should run that little bet channel for y'all trying to throw in some bets. Bro, I was talking to this one dude on TikTok. I was trying to get him to come to come post plays. BXB. Bruh. Lame. I don't be betting either. I'll put down like $10 on like, I put like $100 on like the Chiefs to win the Super Bowl this year, and that was it. Shitty RR, bro. Bad risk reward. I don't know why I took that. Clearly a bad play. Duh. $10 on Paul ain't bad. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just gonna bet some stupid. I just be betting stupid shit. I just be betting stupid. Damn, you could have just gave me the 50 dead ass. Yeah. Should have just bought myself dinner, but that's it. That's all right. It's all right. I don't regret it. 10 turns like 80 something for Paul. Seriously? I mean, he's good at. Honestly, I'll probably take that bet because how much money do you think he paid him to beat him? He's definitely paying him under the table to beat him. For show. Just like last night, bro. That Seahawks game, I'm not a fan of either team, but Seahawks pulled that out of their ass. Definitely paid him good. 10 mil to win. Oh, for sure. Oh, no. Anthony Joshua's crazy, but I'm just saying, like, my thought with this whole Jake Paul bullshit that we're going through and watching this stupid idiot do this stuff, bro, he's definitely just sliding him like, hey, dude, I'm going to make 30 mil off this. I'll give you 5 mil to drop to the floor. You'll go crazy viral on, obviously for getting knocked the fuck out, but you'll go crazy viral on all your socials and I'll put you on the map. I'm sure that's what he's saying, I know if Anthony Joshua gets knocked out, it's not going to look good for him, but, marketing is marketing, PR is PR, views are views type shit. A lot of boxers say Jake is kind of decent though, Lily, maybe. I mean, he's kind of decent, but let's look at let's go look at. Hold on. The dude's like six inches taller than him, and he's massive, bro. And Jake Paul's acting like a little turd at the damn. I mean, surprise. Hold on, look at this shit. Hey, this dude's massive, bro. This dude is huge. Yeah. Oh, and then also the part where he's like actually a boxer and Jake Paul's not. Sorry about that. Let's go. GQ, I see that port looking good. Damn. All right, this market is slow. We can see on the 5 minute. But yeah, anybody else have any ideas for some chats that we can add to geez, crazy talk, BXB? Talking about another man like that is low-key crazy. Y'all some freaks. But yeah, if you guys, I look, you got nothing to do today. If you guys want to jump in the Hive chat, we can all chat. If you guys want to actually talk, it always feels weird just me talking to myself, low-key. If y'all wanna, but top step, Jose. I might start just nah, bro, we like your voice. Oh, I'll be talking in there too, but I feel like I gotta fill the quietness, bro. Hate it. All righty, let's see if we can get something going. Will we get anything here? Any thoughts on Bowl? Spartan asks over here on YouTube. I'm not a big fan of it. I'll check it out because I honestly haven't looked at it in a minute, but I don't like that it doesn't have financials. The deeper that we get into this bull run, the less and less I'm going to continue to buy, stocks without financials and that. that is one without financials. Is, you know, the hell. All right, I'm gonna end the stream over here on YouTube so I can get my recording done because we did take 2 good trades that I'd like to make a live trade about. So I'm gonna end the stream.